In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an account in Zoho CRM. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM sign-up page. You will see a registration form where you can create a new account. Take your time here because the details you enter will be used to set up your profile and verify that your account belongs to you. First, enter your full name in the name field. Use the name you want associated with your Zoho CRM account, especially if this will be used for work. Next, type your work email address. Make sure you enter an email address that you can access right now, because Zoho will send a verification message to that inbox. If you mistype the email, you may not receive the verification code, and you will not be able to activate your account. After that, create a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, and avoid anything too simple. Many sign-up forms require a mix of letters, numbers, or symbols, so if the page gives you password requirements, follow them exactly. This helps keep your CRM account secure, since it may contain business contacts and sales information. Now enter your phone number in the phone field. Zoho may use this for account security and verification depending on your region and settings. Double-check that the number is correct before moving on, since an incorrect number can slow down the setup process. Next, review the terms of service and agree to them. This step is required to create the account. If you are signing up on behalf of a business, it is a good idea to confirm you are authorized to accept these terms. Once everything looks correct, click the button that says Sign Up for Free or Get Started. This submits your details and begins the verification process. Finally, check your email for a one-time password, also called an OTP, or a verification link. Open the message and follow the instructions. If you receive an OTP, enter it back on the sign-up page. If you receive a link, click it to confirm your email and activate your account. If you do not see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you are looking in the same inbox you used during sign-up. After verification is complete, your Zoho CRM account will be activated and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.